Hey, Coach Emmethan here, calling all girls. Meet the rest of the coaches.
Hey, Coach Foster here. We're looking for 3rd through 5th grade girls.
Coach Sharp here, and I just wanted to say that this season is going to be virtual.
Coach Fox, practice starts at 4:30 to 5:30, Monday and Wednesdays.
Coach Hernandez here, no running experience required, just a happy attitude.
Coach Weeby here, and the season starts March 29th.
All right, and Coach Diva here, and we can't wait to build our team.
Girls on the run! Fun!
Well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming. Fed to the rules and I hit the ground running. Didn't make sense not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart but your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back streets? You'll never know if you don't go. You'll never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. Only shooting stars break the mold. It's a cool place, and they say it gets colder. You're bundled up now, wait till you get older. But the media men beg to differ, judging by the hole in the satellite picture. The ice we skate is getting pretty thin. The water's getting warm, so you might as well swim. My world's on fire, how about yours? That's the way I like it, and I'll never get bored. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. All that glitters is gold.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright.
Good morning, Cromer kids, and it's a new day working remotely, so let's see what day it is today. Today is Friday, February 26th. It's one of my favorite days because I love our assemblies, and we get to show off how hard we have worked all throughout the week. Oh wait, did you realize that today is the last day of February for us at school, and next week is March 1st? And because it's March 1st, we'll be celebrating Dr. Seuss's birthday, and so that's the next slide. It says Dr. Seuss Spirit Week. I wore my cat hat just for that, so we remind you. It says Monday, Fox and Socks. Tuesday, Cat in the Hat. Wednesday, Wacky Wednesday. Thursday, the Lorax. And Friday, the Sleep Book. So each day we'll be doing something to show our spirit. Can't wait to see all your crazy socks. We do have some birthdays today and over the weekend, so we celebrate Wyatt and Dustin. Happy birthday. I hope it's a great day from Cromer to you. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Blueberry waffles for breakfast, turkey hot dog for lunch, and grilled chicken sandwich for dinner. And it's our quote. And you guessed it, it's Dr. Seuss, because next week is Dr. Seuss week. And Dr. Seuss was a really smart person. He says, the more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you'll go. Anybody know what story that is from? Thanks, Wildcat, for joining us all week this week. We're getting ready for kids to return on campus, and we're going to wear our masks. We're going to wash our hands. We're going to stay in our own space, and we're going to learn to say hi in a different way. We'll also have our own supplies. And so when I say hi, I might do a high five or an elbow bump. That Wildcat always reminds us, have a great day. It is Friday, fantastic Friday, and I turn it over, Mr. Davis Assembly. Woohoo! Nice to see you, Wildcat. And at this point in time, if you could stand and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by that moment of silence.
Oh, beautiful for spacious skies, for
right, Miss Fishel here. My shout out this week goes to all of my Cromer Wildcats that stuck with me with the paper folding yet again. We tried it again and we did a great job. You're my heroes. You showed perseverance. You stuck with it. Some of you started with a crumpled piece of paper and then later actually it turned into an eye. And so I appreciate all of your hard work and your effort and perseverance this week. Thank you.
Woo! All right. In music, I would like to shout out this week all of my second graders. You are so impressive with your perseverance in turning in your assignments. Some of you even are super proactive and you turn in assignments during class, which is really cool. And just thank you for all your hard work this year.
All right, boys and girls, Miss Jones. My first shout out goes out to Miss Gordon for her taste in music. I think she does a fantastic job on the announcements, both for the staff and the students. I'm playing wonderful songs that And then I have a shout out to those of you submitting book reports. Great shout out to Michaela in Miss Harkey's class this week. Good job getting that Pizza Edge coupon.
Hey, come really close because it's going to be really fast and really need your ears because last day to register to be that heart hero. 2,517 lives have been saved. JL 442, Wyatt P 442, Sam P 361, Dylan W 311, Elijah Aiden 383. Sorry, 283. And then we got Reagan R 115, Kala 113, Kaya M 111, Quinn S 100, Grace S 51, Brandon C 41, Jessica T 41, Bentley 20, Dawn K 16, Emily 10, and Girls on the Run are so much fun. Take it over, Miss D.
All right.
All right, good job, you guys.
Nice job, everybody, on that raising that money. Girls on the Run, let's get those apps in there. And my shout outs go to Erin in Miss Pishke's for being a teacher helper. Mr. Pitcher's class for those students working on the Mars timeline. They are fantastic. So thank you very much and have a great weekend.
Don't worry, be happy.
Hi, Cromer. Miss Edwards here, and I would love to shout out Logan, who had some printer problems earlier on in the quarter, and they got it fixed, and they've been printing out all the work and submitting it. So thank you for showing me your amazing learning progress. Keep it up, Logan.
Hi, Cromer. I want to shout out my whole class for being so helpful to the subs while I was absent and being productive, getting your work turned in. You guys worked so hard. I'm so proud of you. Also, thanks to my reading groups also for helping the subs. Thank you.
Hey, first graders. This week, I'd like to give a shout out to Zachary and Emery. It was awesome learning more about frogs with you today. Thank you so much for getting all your work turned in so that Miss D could give us a special assignment to do together. Way to go, you guys. That was awesome.
Hi, Cromer. It's Miss Sievers. This week, I want to shout out the reading group that worked with me all week. I have Ivana, Emma, Sean, Olivia, Charlie, Fairlee, Cambrielle, and Toriel. I love learning new things with you guys, so thanks for working so hard. Have a nice weekend, Cromer.
Happy weekend.
Bye.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Harkey, and I just wanted to give a big shout out to Ian. You've been doing such a great job participating, and especially in reading groups. I'm so proud of all of your hard work. Thank you.
Hi, it's Miss Flower, and I want to shout out Tegan for always having a really positive attitude and also always participating in class. So thank you, Tegan.
Hi, it's Miss Oliva. I want to shout out Aileen this week. I love how proud you were for making that next Lexia level, and it made me proud. Good job.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Lee, and I would like to shout out Leah for coming to reading group and doing such a great job, and for coming to small math group. Thank you, Leah. Keep up the good work.
Miss Sharp here, and I wanted to give a great big shout out to Bailey. Thank you so much for all the hard work you've been doing with me in math and with our small reading groups. I love to see your focus and your hard work, and I am seeing so much growth in you. Keep it up. Way to go. Thanks so much, second grade. See you next time. Bye.
Happy Friday, everyone. It's the third grade team here for our shout outs. This week, I wanted to shout out Elizabeth and Memphis. Combined, they have over 400 minutes on Lexia this week, and I am just absolutely blown away. Great job, ladies.
Awesome job. And I give my shout out to Bentley. Bentley, great job on pushing yourself on your new writing project. I know writing is not easy, but you did a fantastic job. And my shout out for this week is going to Iari for her great participation in all of the lessons this week. Iari, you've had great questions, great wonderings about all of our lessons, so thank you so much for all of your participation.
My shout out this week is going to Cora for her participation and expanding her thinking a little further than the lesson and getting her work done every day. So nice job, Cora. I'm so proud of you.
My shout out this week is going to Josh because his participation this week was awesome and he just has such a positive attitude towards everyone. So I really appreciate that. So this week, my shout out goes to Adiel. Wow, when I think about your great questions and thinkings with Miss DiVittorio when we had our science class, and that seems a long time ago, but it was really wonderful to watch your participation there. And also, I noticed that you're very, very kind to others. And that's going to be such an essential thing when we come back into our real person, real learning environment. And I really appreciate that so much. Also, I just want to remind you that registration opens today, Friday, for Girls on the Run, and any third, fourth, or fifth grade girl can sign up, but we're sure hoping a bunch of third graders will join us. This will be a virtual experience, and we'll see you at 4:30 every day in a Zoom room, and we'll let you know further information as that comes through. So, hey, have a great weekend, third grade.
Okay, happy Friday, Cromer Wildcats. Mrs. Kaiser here. And I want to send a shout out to my kiddos who have gone above and beyond with their Lexia minutes. Kaylin put in 67 minutes, Talia 125 minutes, Italia 127 minutes, Ryland 93 minutes, and Quinlan put in 104 minutes. So congratulations to all of you. You're doing a great job with your Lexia minutes and also getting all your work turned in before the end of third quarter. Good job.
All right, and I would Miss Marquardt here, and I'm going to give my shout out. Mrs. Kaiser had 5 assignments this week, working with similes, metaphors, alliteration, onomatopoeia, and hyperbole. And I had 2 students that had gotten all 5 of those sentences done and turned in. So I'd like to shout out to Anea and Cami for getting those 5 fun sentences down. We had a good time with those lessons, Ms. Kaiser. Thank you. So have a good weekend, Cromer Wildcats.
Hi, Cromer. It's Miss Weeby. I wanted to thank students that have really been participating in class and the people that have really put in a ton of effort this last week and really had a lot of effort were Lavea, Dalen, Martin, and Fable. Thank you.
Hi, 5th grade, it's Miss Wells. I wanted to shout out some friends that presented their informative science writing this week. They were great. Thank you, Alexis, Lyris, Eli, Evan, Wyatt, Aisha, Hannah, and Hayden. Great job.
And hey, it's Mr. Pitcher. I would like to shout out all the folks that have been working hard on their math assessment this week. I know it's only 5 questions, but it was a tough one. Good job.
Hi, it's Miss Apana. I wanted to shout out all the students that have been sharing their ideas at the beginning of our reading lessons this week on the collaboration board. And that is Remy, Jamin, Aveli, Danny, Brian, Jasmine, and William. I love seeing your guys' ideas and keep up the good work.
Good morning, folks. I am Mr. Hernandez, and I want to give a shout out this week to these following students: Jesse, Nico, Liz, Wyatt, and Yamilet. All the work you have done this week, you have shown extra motivation, and all the work you have done has been very impressive. Bravo. Keep it up.
Great job, 5th grade.
Go.
Who was the first African American to play Major League Baseball?
Hank Aaron or Jackie Robinson? Jackie Robinson.
Wow. You guys are not doing it right.
This is the move for Jackie Robinson.
Jambo, jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana, wageni mwakaribishwa. Kenya yetu hakuna matata. Sote jambo.
Jambo, jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana.
Oh, wageni wetu.
Wageni mwakaribishwa. Kenya yetu hakuna matata.
Oh, Kenya nchi nzuri.
Hakuna matata.
Tena nchi ya kupendeza.
Hakuna matata.
Oh, nchi yenye amani.
Hakuna matata.
Tena nchi yenye umoja.
Hakuna matata.
Oh, Kenya nchi nzuri.
Hakuna matata.
Tena nchi yenye amani.
Hakuna matata.
Oh, nchi yenye wanyama wengi.
Hakuna matata.
Tena nchi yenye umoja.
Hakuna matata.
Oh, sema jambo.
Jambo, jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana.
Oh, wageni wetu.
Wageni wakaribishwa. Kenya yetu hakuna matata.
Oh, sema jambo.
Jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana.
Oh, wageni wetu.
Wageni wakaribishwa. Kenya yetu hakuna matata.
Oh, Kenya nchi nzuri.
Hakuna matata.
Tena nchi ya kupendeza.
Hakuna matata.
Oh, nchi yenye amani.
Hakuna matata.
Tena nchi yenye umoja.
Hakuna matata.
Oh, Kenya nchi nzuri.
Hakuna matata.
Tena nchi yenye amani.
Hakuna matata.
Oh, nchi yenye wanyama wengi.
Hakuna matata.
Tena nchi yenye umoja.
Hakuna matata.
Oh, sema jambo.
Jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana.
Oh, wageni wetu.
Wageni wakaribishwa. Kenya yetu hakuna matata. Jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana.
Oh, wageni wetu.
Wageni wakaribishwa. Kenya yetu hakuna matata.
Kenya nchi nzuri. Tena nchi ya kupendeza.
Hakuna matata.
Oh, nchi yenye amani.
Hakuna matata.
Tena nchi yenye umoja.
Hakuna matata.
Oh, Kenya nchi nzuri. Tena nchi yenye amani. Oh, nchi yenye wanyama wengi. Tena nchi yenye umoja. Oh, sema jambo.
Jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana.
Oh, wageni wetu.
Wageni mwakaribishwa. Kenya yetu hakuna matata.